Oh.
Oh.
It's quite sludgy.
Son of a gun. Holy moly.
Today's plan. Check this up and figure out why it did this. It doesn't like the shaft that second's attached to. Oh man. That sucks. First step, as always, as the boys always say, first step, jack up your car. I'm going to get it up nice and high because the theory is I've got gearbox out, diff out, T-series gearbox, T-series diff going in. So that was the last time this car will go with a K-series driveline. So let's get into it. Okay, car's up. Let's have a look. So first step will be open to unlock that door. Be a huge help. Is the boot open? The boot's locked. Whoa! Must have been outside. Unlock that because I got to undo this, which I think, from memory, I think we want to drop that down before we attack that. Keys for the boot. Nice. Not wet in there? No, it's not wet in there. It's good. It just spent a couple nights outside. Oh, the pump. Keys back in the safest place. So that means my next step is to drain some oil. So let's undo. Anything pulling in, separate. It's quite sludgy. It was quite sludgy last time too though. But this time we know there's a problem. Screw that come out. Speedo cable off. Drive shaft box will need undoing. Drive shaft. Yep. Okay, so we're about to drop the gearbox out. Ryan and Nathan have been instrumental. I couldn't have done it without them. So, I think, do you agree, Ryan, that we should just need to go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle and then drop it?
Slide it back and then drop it down.
Yeah, that's where my brain is at as well. So, let's see if we go like that. Let's get a few more things out of the way. Yeah.
It's on there, you got that?
If you got, yeah, I got the gearbox. If you lower it down,
yeah,
it'll be real hard to turn. Just crank it. It doesn't really matter. It's not got any weight on it.
Come back a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit more. Still slightly on the shaft, I think.
See anything in there? I see it flat.
The camera will be able to see almost perfectly. There you go, camera. There you go. You can see better than we can.
Hidden on this clutch.
Can the people in the fucking audience please tell us if it's good? Comment when it's clear. Oh, is that hitting the thing? Oh, it needs to go down a bit.
Come down?
Yeah.
That clutch is hitting something. Oh, yeah, we're hitting the tunnel.
Yeah, that's why we need to come down. Is that working?
Yeah, yep. Man, you're up, you're up.
Yep.
Comfortable?
Yep. Lower. Lower, baby. One K50 with an A housing.
Clutch.
3-speed.
3-speed? Ah, yeah.
Oh.
Just washer just fell on my head.
Oh.
There's your phone, mate. Oh.
Alright.
I was thinking otherwise. Paste.
No, that's what I thought. That's why I touched it.
Oh. So like back and forth play.
That's not good.
Or down play.
Put a play in there.
Maybe snap that, but an actual.
I reckon we did, because if you wiggle that and look in the middle, look how with one part of the shaft moves and the other part doesn't.
Oh dear. Yeah, that looks like
the
it.
video.
So there's a break, eh?
So I'll just watch the video, it'll be easier.
Is
Yeah.
it?
So you reckon?
Yeah. So it's notchy. Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
yeah, that's not helpful.
That's not healthy.
So, that's the car, so that should be first. And then we go down to second. That's our problem.
Yeah.
Keep spinning. Oh, that's hitting it now, eh?
Yeah, I had a climb.
Yeah,
It's
that's it.
engaged because it's binding up when
Yeah.
it passes with the teeth.
And then we go
Third,
up into
middle,
third, which was fine.
Feels
fourth,
smooth.
mate, that's nearly.
It's obviously down the bottom, and then fourth wasn't good.
You can hear it.
Something's wiggling there.
Missing once it hits that on
So do you reckon that's fourth that's got the biggest problem? Which makes sense that it's smaller.
Missing teeth. Oh, not good.
Oh yeah, missing teeth on what we assume is fourth, I reckon. That's what we can safely assume, I reckon, that that's fourth.
So let me put the camera in there, but no, it's very early. We'll probably don't want to do
Further down.
Teeth.
that. My Valona.
Weld them back on, I reckon.
No, you use that
Falsies, one of them.
what's
Oh,
that stuff
JB
you
weld.
use JB weld, bro? It'll be
Silicon.
fine.
Do the best and silicon the rest.
That's right.
Silicon and paint makes it
So
a
it
weld
looks-
Good fun.
Whoa. Wheel off. You good?
Yeah, I'm great.
Rims off.
Sweet.
What's in there?
Yeah, I suppose that should probably stay with the wheel, shouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Drop the shock.
Got a flathead over there.
Yes.
Leave the shock till last.
Yeah. It's such a small fuel tank.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
Such a small, like, subframe as well. I mean, it's not a very
It's a
big car.
small car, Ethan. Everything on it is small. You need to just accept that, move on. Oh,
We will prevail.
Here too, if it helps. There we go. Yes, got it off. Fuck yeah.
Nice.
He got it off.
That's one.
What are you laughing at?
Oh,
Nice. Got two. Okay, the handbrake cables. Oh no, need the Allen key. Yeah. There's the hole that Wes was talking about. When Wes was talking about my diff, he was saying that there's always a hole in the floor where the diff rolls forward and hits it from people lowering them.
Yeah.
And there it is, right there. It's literally the roll center of that coming up and trying to dig a hole in the floor.
Holy shit.
Whenever they get lowered, that's what they do. That's basically how you know if your Starlet's been lowered or not. And this one's been lowered way lower than I ran it.
sorry about
Oh,
You right?
yep, that's tight.
Oh, was that the crack?
Yeah,
Wow.
that was tight.
Oh, that's some good crack.
Yeah.
We're away.
Ready?
Yeah.
At least with all three of us under here, we'll all die.
I can't really get a good angle on the fucking thing.
Are you pulling towards?
Yep.
Okay. Leave it there. No, put it back where it was.
Yep.
We're going to go with leg power.
Oh,
Push it with my legs.
I'll get out the way.
I can do it if you want.
Son of a gun.
Holy moly.
Nice.
That's it. Thank you, Gator.
Leg power's the way, man.
It is.
Legs are so much stronger than arms.
That's mental.
Yeah, well, at least it was nice and tight. Is this side loose?
This side's not even touched.
All right.
Swap.
Get this
I don't mind pushing on it.
spanner here.
I can't see.
That made a movement noise. Feeling? Sort
That's alright, we can ratchet it from there.
of? Yeah. Anything else? Where's something I can put on this thing?
What do you- what do you-
Where's in that, Dad? What do you need?
I want that.
Ugga dugga.
With that bit we were using.
No.
Yeah.
It's more slushy.
And spanner.
Smell it.
Yeah. What's your head here? Let's get this off really
This
quickly.
dog's like a 14, I think.
Yeah, it is, I reckon.
Oh. Move your wrist, mate.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
They're really little bolts.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, they're only holding the shocks on. Like, the shock thing. You can jack it up a bit, okay, Ryan?
Yep. Whoa, what the fuck is that?
That was squeechy. Squeechy?
Ah, yes, pry bar. Oh, that worked flawlessly good.
Would you like this pry bar?
Yeah, pry bar.
Oh, nice.
That worked flawlessly.
That's flawless.
Something was creaking, I have no idea what that was.
Could it be the jack stand?
Potentially.
I was like, man, the whole car's moving, realising we're lifting the subframe.
Now, in theory, if Ethan puts the thing down,
Am I lowering the subframe?
I reckon you should. Because then Ryan and I can hang on to it and catch the spring when it drops.
Yeah. Do you reckon we should pry these linkages out first? Oh, that bolt's not fully out.
Oh, we should get that bolt out first. There we go. I reckon they'll drop out as it drops out.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. I'm ready. Are you ready, Ryan? Is your shock off? Yeah, your shock's
My
off.
shock's off.
So mindful the springs are loose.
Okay.
So they'll just do their own thing.
You guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm the lower.
Cool, man. Yep. Perfect.
We'll have to pull it back shortly.
Tell me, man, I'm only going this slow.
Pull it towards you a little bit. Yep.
That's it. Start pulling it back if you
We're all
can.
loose. Just take the springs off, put them down, bro. Just so they don't hit anything.
Done.
Man.
That's differential.
Do you want to lift it up, Ryan, and we'll just pull it off the jack? Man. There we have it. That is a K-Series rear end with a U-code diff. And that is a K50 that no longer has a fourth and one of the selector gears is broken too. Yeah, I'm really, really happy with how that went.
Same.
In and out in like half an hour. Or like in but hours
Yeah.
and half an hour.
And then, cool. Okay, well that's enough for today, I reckon.
Yep. Happy.
Sure. Thanks, guys. This video is brought to you by us, Gumboot Rally. Want to see roads you didn't know existed? Like meeting people, having fun? Join the largest automotive-themed scavenger hunt in New Zealand. Join our next adventure and see what you've been missing out. Gumbootrally.com. Book now. Back to the video.